Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see your friends on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to see your friends on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to see your friends on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to see your friends on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing your friends on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Click on display name at top right side. Now click on edit profile. From here you are seeing your friends, followers and following. Click on friends. From here you can see your friends on Roblox. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see your friends on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.